Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. In this video, I'm going to make it as short as possible, and I'm going to be talking about how we sabotage our own goals, dreams, and desires. I'm going to use myself as a case study, as an example. Sometimes we do things that sabotage our goal, our desire, or a state of being we want to achieve. I'm going to use myself as an example. There was a certain, health goal I wanted for myself, I wanted a certain health goal. I think I wanted to trim my tummy or something like that. And I wanted that goal, and I'm like working towards it in my mind. But every 2 or 3 days, I'd find myself eating cookies, eating pies, eating cakes, snacks, and I'm enjoying them. But in my mind, and I'm taking the action of, I want to trim my body, I want to flatter tummy and all that kind of stuff, and I'm thinking, and I'm consistently eating pies, snacks, not even the good type, like the really down to earth, cheap, great type. And I'm thinking, this is blocking me from doing and getting what I want. And it dawned on me that, what other areas of my life am I sabotaging? Just recently, I had the privilege and opportunity of being face to face with my mentor. And I froze. I didn't know what to say. I completely just froze. I had all these things in my mind I wanted to say, but I just froze in his presence. And then I realized that could be a way of self-sabotaging myself again. So I wanted to come on here and make a really short video and put in place and ask anybody else out there, have you experienced any forms of self-sabotage? Any place or any areas of your life you might have said, I want an improvement on it, and then you find yourself not doing it, or not even making an attempt, or even making an attempt but not completing it? So I wanted to just make it open. If you have any experiences, put below and let me know what kind of strategies, techniques, programs, rituals, habits you put in place to assist you to get over that. Because I noticed for me it was quite interesting. So I sat down and I said, okay, if I wanted to take care of this myself with all my training, let me put together what I was going to do. So I put together a little short list of a technique to remind myself when I find myself sabotaging myself, which comes from my old programming. If you're sabotaging yourself in any way that you're aware of, and even ways you're not aware of, it's simply your old programming creeping up, trying to pull you back to its state or its setting that it was used to. The one you're trying to get out of. That's what self-sabotage is doing. It's just finding a way to bring you back. And it's trying to pull you back into your former comfort zone. You're about to make growth. You're about to go into a new area of your life. Newness brings anxiety. Remember that. Newness brings anxiety. Anything that is new is going to bring you a little bit of anxiety. Once you can overcome that, then you can instill whatever new habit that you want or whatever desire you want. So from this comfort zone setting, he doesn't want you to stretch or reach forward. So always remember that. Newness brings anxiety. That will help you in getting over this self-sabotage. You just have to keep it going forward. Another point I had put out here, I'm actually going to leave my notes. I put them into a PDF format. Put it down below, so if anybody wants some kind of to read deeper into it and what I'm using myself and what I discovered, please just click the link, get a copy, or email me and get a copy. Yeah, I'll give it to my clients as well to start to use for themselves. It requires basically self-sabotage. Old programming that is running. I had mentioned that. Fear of success or failure. Fear of success or failure. You're in your comfort zone. hidden beliefs, patterns that are still running opposite what we're doing, unprocessed emotions, lack of clarity or structure. And then a little back and forth sheet on a daily action plan ritual you can be doing for yourself, basically grounding yourself in safety and security. And then a night ritual or a night habit, a night practice, letting you know you need to just let it go. The day has finished. Let it go. Just let me know if you have any other kind of ideas yourself that you've come up in ways that you might have sabotaged yourself without knowing. And one of the easiest ways to actually help yourself to get back on track, put together some kind of, I guess, habit, something new that you can do every day. Start very, very small. Very small. You want to be able to capture those wins. Start it really, really small so that you can get it. Like, say if you want to wake up early, set your timer for 5 minutes earlier. Don't just jump and start like 2 hours earlier and then fail it. No, set it short. These little short wins help a lot. Use your phone. Get your phone. Set some little alarms to remind you to stay focused. We get distracted a lot, but if you have your phone and every 2 or 3 hours, that's what one of my coaches taught me. Every 2 or 3 hours, set an alarm on your phone and write things down there to keep going. Stay focused, stay committed. So I'd have that on my alarm set on my phone several times a day. I'll be in meetings and with people. My phone will be going off all the time. People are sometimes feeling uncomfortable. I don't really look at it that way. I'm like reminding myself, stay focused. It's my little reminder, action reminder. Give it a try. Things to help you to stop yourself from sabotaging your own success. Just try to figure out what some of them may be for you. Write them down, lock in, discover what they are, because first there is always something that is holding us back from what it is we want. And if we're not taking direct action on it, it's sabotaging it to ourselves. So I just wanted to share that with you. I wanted to get on here and share that with you and let you guys know who are here following me or following me the first time. I created a little document. Little PDF so you can get it, read it for yourself, and it will help you immensely. And if you like, share it with your friends, family, let them know. I gotta go. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm out. I love you guys. I really do. Have a great day.